Global teams don't just need more content. They need content that scales across languages, stays secure by default, and links readers to exactly where they need to go. In this release, we focused on making that possible. Let's start with how your step-by-step guides reach a global audience. Step-by-step guides created with Flowic now support multilingual workflows. Guides built in your default workspace language act as the source. From there, translations can be generated for any enabled secondary language in your project. When the source guide is updated, translated versions are automatically marked as needs translation, so teams can easily track what's changed and keep every language version aligned. The result? Guides that stay consistent and up-to-date across your entire knowledge base. Reaching more readers means protecting them too. That starts with stronger portal security. The content security policy configuration experience has been redesigned with a more structured interface. Policies are now organized into clear sections: code policy, resource control, embedding and security, and reporting, making them easier to navigate and manage. Directive support has also been expanded with options like form action, object source, and worker source now available. Next, when links are accessed inside embedded widgets, they should feel seamlessly navigable. Internal links inside JWT-enabled knowledge base widgets now validate reader group permissions on every click. This update also brings seamless link navigation across standard workspaces within the widget. A well-structured knowledge base isn't just about what's inside the articles, it's also about how they show up to the world. You can now add featured images to public articles in mixed public workspaces. For articles that are private or placed under a restricted hierarchy, the option remains disabled with a clear contextual message. So editors always know exactly why and what to expect. And sometimes consistency is about the smallest details, like a heading that formats exactly the way you expect it to. Heading styles in the advanced WYSIWYG editor now stay intact, even when they start with a number. H2, H3, and H4 headings with numeric prefixes, like step numbers or structured section labels, are now formatted consistently, the same way text-only headings are. No unexpected conversions, no formatting workarounds. Just headings that behave the way your writers intend.